Sending the Mustang to the paint shop today. They on the way to come get it. The hood came in. Got a little gap, but the bumper ain't all the way screwed up. Fenders on there. The rim I ordered the rim. The rim gonna be coming in soon. Give y'all all the updates on it. But this 2012 Ford Mustang. I'm gonna give y'all the breakdown on everything about it and how much I paid for it. I got this car out of Copart Auction. It's a free open auction. Anybody could, it's a Savage Yard auction. Anybody could get an account with them. I think it's like $600 to get the account. Then you can start bidding. But shit, the tax fees and shit at Copart be so high, it take all the fun out of it. Like this car right here, they had it on minimum bid. I won it for I think 1,100, and then the seller he counter bidded me 1,250 or whatever. So I got it for 1,250. I won the bid at 1,250, and I end up paying like 1,700 for it with the tax and fees and stuff. So bought it for 1,700. The front was messed up. The hood was all dented up. I got pieces of the old hood right here. That's the old hood. And all the old bumper and stuff for it. But yeah. So this right here is like a $4,000 flip because I had the rim was cracked. I had to change the tire rod, really basically this whole assembly back here. All that behind this wheel, I had to change that, the shock, all that. And that was like I say about a $400-500 fix right there. This fender here was like $200. Fender was $200. This hood was $600. The headlights was $150, and the bumper was like, I think the bumper was like $400, something like that. So you add all that up, say 17 plus 200, that's 19, plus 6, that's 35, plus 400, that's 34. Well, maybe 300, I think, yeah. That's 34, and the lights make it round to be about 35, and the tire, whatever, all that stuff, I put back together on that, make it be like $4,000. And that's painting and all that. We do that body work and stuff, so all that's free. So yeah, man, this is what I'm messing with this week. I'm gonna have it ready, painted, ready for sale. I'm thinking 8,000. I might post it for 9,000. I got 110,000 miles, very clean in the inside. You know, top go down good. Got some nice little cheap little wheels on it. Just a nice little flip. Make sure y'all like and subscribe, support the channel. We out.